Hi, I'm Rashi Gandhi and I'm a lab pro student in École Intuit lab. So we recently went for this workshop in France to the Marseille campus, back in Marseille campus of École. And it was an amazing experience. I was skeptical of going earlier because it was in December and the weather was going to be extremely cold, but it was worth it going there in -5 and learning so much from Stephen sir over there. We had a poster design workshop for 5 days that was conducted for us. Earlier we thought it was just a poster making workshop, but when we went on with the brief the first, second day and the guidance that we received from sir over there, he got us out of our comfort zones. I had not personally thought that I would be able to achieve a poster like that before. It's something that you see on the internet and you like, oh, I want to achieve this someday, which is what he got us to doing. At the end of the workshop, we got a certification which validated our experience over there.